Hey, what's up, YouTube? So, today we're going to install the best app for your iPhone that I've ever seen. Free movies, free everything. So what I want you to do first, go into your Safari setting. We're going to highlight your search bar. I want you to type in Tweakbox. That's Tweakbox app. So it's right there. And then hit the go. And there it is. So that's the one you're looking for right there. I want you to hit the little OK in blue at the bottom. You're going to see where it says download app. I want you to hit that. Go ahead and hit allow. Go ahead and hit install. Here you're going to enter your code. So whatever your passcode is, hit install. Then you hit done. You're back to your Tweakbox app. Go ahead and push the download. Hit the allow. Then I want you to go ahead and hit your home button. Go to Tweakbox. Now that it's open, I want you to wait for that little white X to appear. Click it. I want you to go to apps. I want you to scroll down. You see Tweakbox apps. Click on that. Scroll down. You see Bobby Movie. That is the best app that you are ever going to download. Click on Bobby Movie. Click install. Click install. Then I want you to hit the home button. You can see here that it's installing. Wait for it to finish. Boom, there you go. So that little B right there is all you'll ever need. So if we click it, it's saying that it's untrusted, whatever. Hit the cancel. Then I want you to go back to your settings. I want you to go into your settings. I want you profiles and device management. Find that. And then what we're going to do is this Nippon Paint China. I want you to touch that. And I want you to trust it. I want you see all this here. I want you to hit trust. Then we're going to hit our home button again. Scroll over to Bobby Movie. Click on Bobby Movie. You're going to hit OK. Then this is going to come up. I just want you to hit your home button. I want you to hit Bobby Movie again. And then, like I said, this is the best app I've ever seen on an iPhone or any phone for that matter. So not only do you have this right now is just showing all your 2018 movies. This is the most popular 2018 You know, you got your Molly's Game, your Shape of Water, your Jumanji, they even got the Downsizing, Thor. I mean, they got everything. So, there you are. That's just the movie portion. And that's just one of them. You could switch to trending if you click trending. So this is what's trending now, what other people are watching. So, and this is everything. Anything and everything. So, there you are. I mean, so just to give you an idea, so if we scroll here, see how this moves back and forth? You have your IMDb, your Oscars, your 2017, your cartoons, your anime, movies, TV shows. I mean, you can just click TV shows, and there you are. You're here. You can watch pretty much anything you can think of. I mean, stuff that's on HBO, Showtime, Netflix, Hulu. It's all here in one app. I mean, you can, stuff that's just on Amazon is actually here. I mean, it's everything wrapped in one. So, I mean, your AMC shows, you know, that everybody's watching, that's on here. So, it's everything. There's pretty much every channel you can think of is here. And that's just TV. So that's regular TV shows. So, no need for cable. Yeah. So then you go, hit your back button. So if this video helped you, then I'd like for you to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and share it with all your friends. Thank you. And until next time.